Nairobi.
Mago mag siasa nyakora mgaji wango gai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga okoni Kenya Kwanza ntiere kod ndalo ariyo kende mondo gichak twak kodgi makao kamano to biro chuno gi kao kang machielo ma wacho bang' twak e tielo mokwongo nyocho lware Luanda ma ochuno kweth mar Kenya Kwanza wilo jaod bura ma Elders Aidan Keynan manyocha ntiere aput margi.
We did actually in good faith ourselves because they said they were serious. Now we are seeing signs of reluctance. We're seeing signs of reluctance. Now all members of the other side are not available. They don't have a quorum to begin the discussions and so on. We have given them today and tomorrow. We have said that the talks must start in earnest on Wednesday. And if their delegation is not ready by Wednesday, we will treat that gentleman's agreement as cancelled. And we will then now explore other options available to us as Azimio.
Kwa mga familia marawera manyinge